Welcome to our video on the 6 incredible teas that can prevent diabetes. When it comes to preventing diabetes, managing your diet is a powerful tool. With diabetes affecting millions of people worldwide, finding natural and effective ways to maintain healthy blood sugar levels has never been more important. Teas stand out as not only delicious, but also rich in compounds that can support your health in significant ways. So whether you're already managing diabetes or looking to prevent it, adding these teas to your daily routine could be a game changer. Before we begin our countdown, please do us a favor. Click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, let's get started. Here are the 6 incredible teas that can prevent diabetes. Starting off our list at number 6 is the ever-popular green tea. Renowned for its health benefits, green tea plays a significant role in diabetes prevention. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been extensively studied for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. The antioxidant properties of green tea help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. By lowering oxidative stress, green tea helps protect your cells from damage that can lead to insulin resistance. A study in the Diabetes and Metabolism Journal found that EGCG in green tea enhances glucose metabolism and increases insulin sensitivity, making it a potent ally in diabetes prevention. Regular consumption of green tea can help lower fasting blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and even aid in weight management, an important factor in diabetes prevention. A healthy heart is important for individuals with diabetes, as they are at a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. By regularly consuming green tea, you're not only working to prevent diabetes, but also supporting your overall heart health. To maximize the benefits, enjoy freshly brewed green tea without any added sugar. Drinking 1 to 2 cups daily can provide you with its full range of health benefits. Next up at number 5 is cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its health-promoting properties. When it comes to managing blood sugar, cinnamon is particularly impressive. This spice imitates the action of insulin in the body, helping to lower blood sugar levels naturally. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which plays a significant role in improving glucose uptake by cells. This means that your cells can use glucose more efficiently, reducing the risk of insulin resistance, a condition where your body's cells don't respond well to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of this tea can also help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, 2 factors that are closely linked with diabetes. By reducing inflammation, cinnamon tea helps protect your body from the harmful effects of chronic high blood sugar, which can damage blood vessels and nerves over time. A study in the Journal of Diabetes Science and Technology found that cinnamon has been shown to significantly lower blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, cinnamon has been shown to have a positive impact on metabolic health by improving lipid profiles. To prepare cinnamon tea, simply steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for 10 minutes. You can enjoy it on its own, or add a dash of milk for a creamy twist. Just remember to avoid sweeteners to keep it diabetes-friendly. Coming in at number 4 is chamomile tea. It is a soothing and aromatic herbal tea known for its calming effects. This fragrant tea is rich in antioxidants like apigenin and quercetin, which have been found to lower blood sugar levels and protect pancreatic cells from damage. The pancreas plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar by producing insulin. Protecting this vital organ is essential for preventing diabetes. The antioxidants in chamomile tea help shield pancreatic cells from oxidative stress, which can impair their function and lead to the development of diabetes. A study in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders found daily consumption of chamomile tea has been associated with a significant reduction in HbA1c, a marker of long-term blood sugar control and improved overall blood sugar management. In addition to its protective effects on the pancreas, chamomile tea's anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable tool for reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Chronic inflammation is a common issue in individuals with diabetes, leading to problems such as nerve damage, kidney issues, and cardiovascular disease. Chamomile tea has also been shown to improve glycemic control, which is vital for preventing and managing diabetes. Glycemic control refers to the maintenance of steady blood sugar levels over time. Poor glycemic control can lead to spikes and drops in blood sugar, increasing the risk of complications. To enjoy the benefits of chamomile tea, steep a bag of chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drinking it before bedtime can help you relax and support healthy blood sugar levels while you sleep. At number 3, we have hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a tangy beverage that not only tastes great, but is also packed with nutrients that can be beneficial in preventing diabetes. Hibiscus tea is rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Anthocyanins give hibiscus tea its deep red color and are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. One of the standout benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common complication of diabetes, and managing it is crucial for reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Hibiscus tea works by relaxing blood vessels, which helps lower blood pressure and improve circulation. This tea also supports heart health by helping to lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels. This balance is vital for protecting against atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become clogged with fatty deposits, leading to heart disease and stroke. A study in the journal Foods found that regular consumption of hibiscus tea has been linked to lower fasting blood glucose levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Additionally, hibiscus tea has been found to have diuretic properties, which means it helps the body get rid of excess salt and water. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it helps prevent fluid retention and reduces the burden on the kidneys. To prepare hibiscus tea, steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and add a squeeze of lime for an extra flavor. Sliding into number 2 is ginger tea. It is a spicy and refreshing drink with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a powerful natural remedy for various ailments. Ginger tea can help prevent diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. A study in the International Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that ginger significantly reduces fasting blood sugar levels and HbA1c levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes, making it a powerful natural remedy for diabetes prevention. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogal, play a key role in these effects. These compounds work by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to the development of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. This spice also supports digestive health, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Proper digestion ensures that glucose is absorbed steadily into the bloodstream, preventing the spikes and crashes that can lead to diabetes complications. In addition to its blood sugar lowering effects, ginger has been shown to improve lipid profiles by lowering triglyceride and cholesterol levels. By improving lipid profiles, ginger tea helps protect against the cardiovascular complications associated with diabetes. To make ginger tea, steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can enjoy it on its own or with a splash of lemon juice for added flavor. Topping our list at number 1 is turmeric tea, also known as golden milk. Turmeric has gained widespread popularity for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a staple in many health-conscious diets. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is particularly noteworthy for its role in diabetes prevention. Curcumin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making turmeric tea an excellent choice for those looking to prevent or manage diabetes. A study in the Journal of Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that curcumin in turmeric has been found to reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity significantly. By enhancing the body's ability to use insulin effectively, curcumin helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Turmeric tea is also a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps neutralize free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and increasing the risk of chronic diseases, including diabetes. By reducing oxidative stress, turmeric tea helps protect your cells and supports overall health. Turmeric also has the potential to delay the onset of type 2 diabetes in individuals with prediabetes. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve beta cell function, the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin, and slow the progression from prediabetes to diabetes. To prepare turmeric tea, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm milk or a dairy-free alternative. For better absorption of curcumin, add a pinch of black pepper to the mix. And there you have it, 6 incredible teas that can prevent diabetes. From green tea and cinnamon tea to chamomile, hibiscus, ginger, and turmeric tea, each tea beverage offers unique health benefits that can help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels and prevent the onset of diabetes. These teas are a simple and natural way to support your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest health tips. Have you tried any of the teas we mentioned in this video? Share your experience with these tea beverages in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please consider showing your support with a super thanks. You can also check out our exclusive merchandise for more ways to support your wellness journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.